If you don't like spending big bucks on skincare but still want that glow, then this green juice is your secret weapon. Hey beauty enthusiasts! Today we're diving into a simple, delicious green juice recipe that'll make your skin pop. First up, spinach. It's packed with vitamins A and C, both are skincare superheroes. They help reduce blemishes and keep your skin looking vibrant. Next, green apple. It's not just tasty, but also loaded with antioxidants. These bad boys fight off free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and glowing. And don't forget cucumber. It's super hydrating and rich in silica, which helps improve skin elasticity. Say hello to smooth, supple skin. Blend these three powerhouses together with a splash of water and you've got yourself a beauty elixir. Drink it regularly and your skin will thank you with that natural glow. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your blender and get juicing. Cheers to glowing skin from within. #glowing skin, #beauty juice. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips.